In this video, I'll show you how to make objects float and hover in DaVinci Resolve using the camera shake effect. To get started, head over to the Effects panel on the Edit page. Scroll down and open the Open FX section. In the search bar, type Camera Shake, then drag and drop it directly onto your clip in the timeline. Right away, you'll notice the effect gives a jittery handheld look, which is great for dynamic shots but not ideal for a smooth floating motion. To fix this, select your clip and go to the Inspector panel. Click the Effects tab at the top. Now scroll down until you see the PTR speed slider. This controls how fast the camera movement plays out. Lower the PTR speed value to around 0.2. This will dramatically slow down the movement and create a soft hovering motion that feels much more like the object is floating in midair. You can fine-tune the look further by adjusting the amplitude and motion blur settings if needed, depending on the mood you're going for. And that's it! You've now created a smooth floating effect using just the built-in tools in DaVinci Resolve.